Have you ever felt like your strength is slipping away as you age, despite your best efforts to stay active? It's a common concern among the elderly. The good news is that there are effective strategies to combat muscle loss and maintain your vitality. In this video, we'll delve into two crucial methods recommended by doctors: optimizing your diet and incorporating the right kind of exercise. Stay with us until the end to discover how you can apply these strategies to prevent muscle loss and enhance your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your strength, improve your balance, or simply stay healthier longer, this video is packed with practical tips that could make a significant difference in your life. Before we dive in, I'd appreciate it if you liked this video. Your support helps me continue sharing valuable lessons for the elderly. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you do so and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1 below. If not, comment number 0 so I can improve for you. Now let's get started. Dealing with muscle loss is a crucial concern for the elderly, and doctors emphasize two primary methods to manage it effectively. The results from these approaches have been highly encouraging. Take, for instance, Mr. Wong, who is 75 years old. Recently, he noticed a decline in his physical condition. Tasks that were once effortless now left him feeling fatigued and weak. Concerned about these changes, he visited the hospital, where his doctor diagnosed him with muscle loss. This condition, common among the elderly, raises an important question: how should seniors address muscle loss? To understand this better, let's first define what muscle loss is. Medically known as sarcopenia, muscle loss is characterized by a gradual decrease in both the quantity and strength of skeletal muscle. This process typically begins around the age of 40. According to Director Wang from the General Hospital of the Chinese People's Liberation Army, skeletal muscle is crucial for our movement and metabolic functions. Research indicates that after turning 40, a person's muscle mass diminishes by 4% to 8% every decade. This progressive loss is a natural part of aging, but can significantly impact one's overall health and daily activities. So, how does muscle loss manifest? Director Liu of Peking Union Medical College Hospital explains that the most noticeable sign is the thinning of muscles, particularly in the arms and legs, where strength is significantly reduced. Simple tasks, such as lifting a bucket of water or climbing stairs, become increasingly difficult. Additionally, individuals may experience heightened fatigue, and even minor physical activity can lead to shortness of breath. Recovery from exertion takes longer, and changes in body shape and physical fitness become markedly evident. Addressing muscle loss involves adopting specific strategies to mitigate its effects and improve overall muscle health. By following medical advice and implementing recommended methods, seniors can effectively manage this condition and enhance their quality of life. How prevalent are these changes? In 2019, the Chinese Gerontological Society and Geriatric Society conducted a comprehensive survey involving 12,000 elderly individuals aged 60 and above. The findings revealed a concerning trend. Nearly 70% of the elderly population experiences some degree of muscle loss, and this proportion escalates to a striking 80% among those over 70 years old. Director Zhang from the Southern Hospital of Southern Medical University emphasizes that as the aging process intensifies, age-related sarcopenia has emerged as a significant issue, impacting the overall quality of life for the elderly. What are the implications of muscle loss for older adults? Despite its seemingly minor appearance, muscle loss poses a serious threat to health that is often underestimated by the elderly themselves. One of the critical consequences is an increased risk of falls, a common and dangerous issue among older individuals. Research indicates that a 20% reduction in leg muscle mass can lead to a 2- to 3-fold increase in the likelihood of falling. This is due to the essential role that leg muscles play in maintaining balance while walking and in coordinating body movements. When muscle loss becomes severe, older adults are particularly susceptible to balance issues, which can result in falls with severe consequences, including long periods of immobility or even life-threatening injuries. Furthermore, muscle and bone health are interdependent. As muscle mass diminishes, the support for bones weakens over time, accelerating the progression of osteoporosis. Data from the Chinese Geriatric Society shows that the incidence rate of osteoporosis among elderly individuals over 60 in China is alarmingly high, reaching 36%. Muscle loss is a significant contributing factor to this condition. In addition to its impact on bone health, muscle loss affects metabolic processes, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Director Wang of the Endocrinology Department at Peking Union Medical College Hospital points out that muscles play a crucial role as metabolic organs in the body. Research has demonstrated that for every 12% decrease in muscle mass, there is an 11% increase in the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Common chronic conditions among the elderly, such as hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, and mood disorders, are closely linked to muscle reduction. In summary, muscle loss has emerged as a hidden yet formidable threat to the health and well-being of the elderly, significantly impacting their overall quality of life. When dealing with the risk of muscle loss, medical experts consistently highlight the importance of adopting strategies to bolster muscle strength and health. To effectively address and mitigate muscle loss, there are two primary and recommended approaches: a well-balanced diet and engaging in moderate exercise. Firstly, maintaining a reasonable and nutritious diet plays a crucial role in preventing muscle loss. A diet rich in essential nutrients, such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals, supports muscle repair, growth, and overall strength. Proteins in particular are vital as they provide the building blocks necessary for muscle maintenance and regeneration. Ensuring that your diet includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help sustain muscle mass and prevent deterioration. Secondly, incorporating moderate exercise into your routine is equally important. Regular physical activity, especially resistance training and weight-bearing exercises, helps stimulate muscle growth and combat muscle atrophy. Exercise not only strengthens muscles but also improves overall physical function and endurance. Engaging in a balanced exercise regimen that includes strength training alongside aerobic activities can enhance muscle health and reduce the risk of muscle loss. By focusing on these two foundational methods, maintaining a well-rounded diet and committing to regular moderate exercise, you can effectively counteract muscle loss and support overall muscle strength and vitality. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know you're still with me. Thank you for your valuable time. Adjusting your dietary structure and increasing the intake of high-quality proteins is a pivotal first step in combating muscle loss. These proteins, essential for muscle repair and overall fitness, provide the amino acids necessary for maintaining and building muscle mass, particularly as we age. High-quality proteins can be found in foods such as lean meats, eggs, milk, and soybeans. For instance, eggs are a rich source of protein, offering about 7 grams per egg, along with a comprehensive amino acid profile crucial for bodily functions. However, due to their cholesterol content, it's advisable for elderly individuals to limit their intake to 1 or 2 eggs per day, balancing nutritional benefits with cholesterol management. Milk is another excellent source of high-quality protein, boasting an amino acid absorption rate exceeding 95%, which significantly aids muscle synthesis. To meet the nutritional needs for muscle health, incorporating these protein sources into daily meals is essential. Given that protein makes up about 80% of muscle composition, ensuring adequate intake is vital. For seniors, a daily protein intake of approximately 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight is recommended, with protein consumption distributed evenly throughout the day. Alongside protein, a balanced diet, including carbohydrates, fats, fresh fruits, and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals, is crucial for effective muscle synthesis. If dietary adjustments alone don't suffice, nutritional supplements may be considered under medical guidance to avoid adverse effects. Consulting healthcare professionals ensures that supplements are appropriate for individual health conditions. Engaging in moderate exercise is equally critical for enhancing muscle strength and countering muscle loss. While diet fuels the muscles, exercise stimulates them, promoting growth and strength. Resistance training, such as using dumbbells, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises like push-ups is particularly effective. Engaging in these exercises 2 to 3 times a week for about 30 minutes each session provides adequate muscle stimulation and recovery time, enhancing overall physical fitness and easing daily activities. Tailoring exercise routines to individual needs is essential to avoid overexertion and injury. Gradual progression, starting with low-intensity activities and increasing intensity safely, is key. Listening to the body and adjusting routines when discomfort arises ensures that exercise remains a safe and effective tool for managing muscle loss. Incorporating aerobic exercises such as walking, swimming, or Tai Chi complements resistance training, supporting cardiovascular health and muscle vitality. These activities help manage weight, enhance mood and energy levels, and improve overall physical fitness without overstraining the body. For older adults, choosing low-intensity exercises that suit their physical conditions is crucial. High-impact activities can pose risks, leading to fatigue, joint discomfort, or injury. Instead, focusing on moderate intensity, low-impact exercises allow seniors to stay active safely, benefiting cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and mobility. Persistence is the cornerstone of maintaining muscle health. While a balanced diet and moderate exercise are foundational, developing and sustaining healthy habits over time is critical. Many elderly individuals understand the importance of these strategies but struggle with commitment. Overcoming muscle loss requires the right mindset and confidence along with consistent action. Support from family members, healthcare providers, and the community plays a vital role in helping seniors maintain a healthy lifestyle. Encouraging regular activity and creating supportive environments promote fitness and well-being for the elderly. Thank you for joining us in exploring effective ways to address muscle loss and enhance your health. We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. Share in the comments one key takeaway you'll be incorporating into your daily routine. Your insights could inspire others on their journey to better health. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content that supports your well-being. Let's grow stronger together and continue to age gracefully. See you in the next episode.